The red squirrel is a native to Great Britain, unlike the grey squirrel which was introduced. Not as common as it used to be, seen in parts of Wales, up the west coast of Merseyside and Lancashire, northern England and Scotland. There are now less than 150,000 squirrels. While much of the blame for the red squirrel's decline has been put down to the grey squirrel, mainly because it is much more adaptable to the environment, spends more time on the ground foraging on a wider variety of food, it also eats more food and can cope better when food is scarce. It is not susceptible to the deadly pox virus, although it is a carrier of the disease. Red squirrels are more at home in carnivorous forest than deciduous woodland. They live in a den called a dray high up in the treetops, usually situated between forks of tree branches. Their favourite foods are seeds, larch, spruce and especially pine cones. Although they will eat seeds from woodland trees, they will also eat young shoots and fruits as well as fungi, which they store to help them through winter. Occasionally birds' eggs will be eaten. Like the grey squirrel, they do not hibernate, relying on food that has been stored in locations near the dray when food was plentiful and body fat built up through the autumn. They are more at risk than grey squirrels in winter when food is scarce. Red squirrels are easily distinguished from grey squirrels because of their russet red colouring and a creamy white underside, although this can vary from red to grey and white, while some can be a blackish colour. They are also much smaller than the grey and have tufts on their ears. The tufts become larger in winter. The pox virus has had a major impact on numbers of red squirrels. There is a lot of conservation work being done to protect and ensure their survival.